It's the season of love, but Valentine's Day will be a bit different this year for many. But where there's a will, there's a way.
Signore, cosa fai lì da solo? Vieni con me in cucina.
Mamma mia! Aspetto superiore.
Okay. Exactly.
Okay, I might not be going home tonight. Chef Mirto Marchesi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Buongiorno. Thank you for
Buongiorno.
having us in Hotel Vanessa, l'Atelier de Mirto. Valentine's Day, very different this year, but the romance is alive, right? What are we going to do to make this Valentine's Day special?
So, special today we're gonna prepare two recipes, easy recipe. The first one is ceviche with the salmon.
Great.
The main course is the veal.
Ooh la la.
And sauce with porto and black truffle.
Sounds really sexy, which is good, and sounds really simple, lots of essence.
Yeah, really easy to make home, exactly.
Well, of course, it has to be quick and easy because quick and easy means lots of fun after dinner. Swum up freshly for us today.
It's really fresh. He came in this morning. Do you wanna try?
I can try, please. This way,
Exactly, this way. And now you cut the head.
like that.
You use two hands, like exactly, and then crack. More stronger, yes. Nice.
Right.
You use the left hand, huh?
I do use
Oh
it.
my god.
I know.
I really don't know. It's the first.
Good?
Good.
Good.
Really good.
And when you do put in effort, you get a lot of love back.
This part is the better. Hard. The cœur de saumon.
Always got to do a bit of manscaping.
Not so small. It's like it's not a tartare. It's like a more bigger.
Yeah, so like cubing.
Exactly.
See, so that's going to cure it.
Exactly.
Cook the meat.
Exactly. The
cook
salt and
fish.
the lemon, and the lime juice, cooking exactly the fish.
All right, so you start mixing it all through. A little bit more chili.
Yeah.
Ooh. Chef, are you quite a romantic person?
I am so romantic person.
0 to 10, Italian.
Oh,
where are you?
11.
11?
Sure, but
Okay, I might not be going home tonight. What would be your favorite romantic song on Valentine's Day?
romantic song. I am really fan to Elvis Presley.
Wow. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Maybe Always on My Mind. It's one of my favorite songs.
Oh,
of
he's a
Elvis
classic.
Presley.
He's
It's
a classic.
but
A classic giant with a man bun. Okay, I'll make sure I get this really lots of nice spice.
we're gonna starting with to make a sauce.
What's the flavor?
It's nice. The shallot and the butter is the best.
Caramelized.
It's nice. See, and then
The port.
little bit porto wine. Nice. The champignon inside.
Oh, look at that.
It's nice.
Look at that
Very
color.
beautiful.
Best potato. Truffe noir.
Truffe noir.
You've cubed it to make it cook evenly.
Exactly, cooking inside of the sauce. Yeah. Of course, every time the most important is
To taste.
This is carré of the veal. It's really delicate meal. It's not so much fat, but it's more easy to cook in home.
Of course, so
It's like
more even.
Exactly. If you know you need to prepare the meal for the dinner, take out to the fridge 2 hours before.
Garlic.
with the skin, entire
yep,
garlic.
just-
Just you press
Press.
and then
Throw it
inside.
in. Rosemary.
Rosmarino.
Yep. Rosmarino.
Rosmarino.
See, it sounds so much better in Italian.
And then
Yep. Keep it moving.
keep it moving and it's like a color. Buonissimo.
Buonissimo.
Really? I
Yeah.
don't know what you...
And then
And then in oven. Easy.
cafe. Perfetto.
You want
Magnifico. So the ceviche, and we're serving today something very special. This is Chenin Blanc from Louis Bouvard in Cuy.
yeah.
Just half a hectare of this wine. Direct result of climate change.
so fresh the flow.
Brings that beautiful tropical element. Bon appetit. So the clementine just brightens it up, just gives it a little bit of a zestiness. So romantic, so beautiful together. What are you doing later? Oh, wow. Valentine's like never before. Look at this.
I tell you, I'm a romantic guy.
Of course. Melting. J'adore. Now, the next wine. This one. Gamay. 100% Gamay, but not, of course, from Beaujolais, but from Terre de Lavaux in Lutry. This is old vines, over 30 years old. Beautiful.
Yes, really love this wine.
The veal is so tender.
Exactly. It's so
It is tender, but there's also a lovely balance between the sauce. It's not too rich because the veal is just
delicate.
Delicate.
You need a sauce so
Yeah.
stronger. You need a good balance.
Buon Salvantino. Baci baci. Elvis would have had a man bun, I reckon. If he was born today, he'd have a man bun. Si soccorse, le amore, le grazie a te.
Is Italian?